Hi, I'm Aaron and I'm with Chain Reaction Series. Today we're building rocket bottles in a bathtub.
Nice.
Now what you'll need for your bathtub rocket is some baking powder, vinegar, and a bottle. So for the bottle you're going to have to make a small hole in the cap if you can. And we're going to need to use some tools for that. So safety first. And now we're safe. So, to make this hole, just make sure it's nice and tight. And there you go, little hole. So this is a good point to start filling up the bathtub. So once the bathtub is filling up, you can start preparing the rest of your materials. So what you want to do is get some tissue paper or a kitchen towel or something that you can put some of your baking powder into and tie up into a little ball. So you're going to want to put about a teaspoon of baking powder in the tissue. And then tie it up, make it into a little ball so it stops it releasing immediately. So this is our fuel. Next, you want to fill up your bottle about a third of the way up with vinegar. So we're ready to go. You've got your bathtub full of water, bottle full of vinegar, and your baking powder. So I'm going to drop this in, put the bottle cap on, and drop it in the water, and let's see what happens. So once the tissue paper dissolves, there's definitely some gas being produced in there. And this bottle's getting very hard. Whoa! There we go! Alright, so we've customised our boat. Here's the finished design. So we still don't have any steering mechanism, so we'll see how that goes, but we want to see what you can do out there. Get creative. Okay, so you've seen the boat, and using the same principles, if you're lucky enough to go outside, we can do the same with an actual rocket. So this is one we've fashioned using a big bottle, put a bit of cone on top and some ice cream sticks to give it a bit of stability. So we're going to spray paint this now, and we want to see what creative ideas you've got at home. So let's see your designs and we'll be back in a sec. Alright, so we've managed to build a rocket as well, and it will basically use the same kind of system and ingredients. We've managed to spray paint it black, add a few fins on, and it's filled with vinegar. We've got some bombs here, and we've also got a cork this time. So the cork there's no hole in the cork, and we've got a bit of tissue paper with a load of bicarbonate of soda in there. So I'm going to drop these bombs in, put the cork in, turn it upside down, and let's see what happens. Gonna have to be pretty quick once he's going, because it will start fizzing. You can hear it fizzing. Proper push. All right. Oh man! It worked. Science. Science! Thanks for watching, guys. Send us your videos if you've got any. If you can get more creative than us, this was mocked up in about a day or so. Follow us on the socials. Send in any questions you've got.